Are you thinking about buying your first pellet grill? Do not make the same mistakes a lot of people make. They buy the biggest, most expensive pellet grill they can afford and end up only using half. On today's show, I'm going to walk you through the purchase process by answering 10 questions that every beginner pellet grill user should ask before buying a pellet grill so you end up with the right one the first time. Guys, you know I have been cooking on pellet grills for years and years, and while there are a lot of great options out there, the truth is most people do not need every bell and whistle available. So what I want to do here is let's talk about what really matters. And the first question you have to ask yourself is, what do you plan on cooking? Burgers and chicken during the week, and maybe a brisket or two a month. Always remember that your needs are going to be different than somebody else, and that's one of the reasons I simply love what Z-Grills is all about, as they are simple enough for those quick weekday cooks, but still capable of turning in that great barbecue on that brisket, maybe ribs. So once you figure out your family's needs, you should be able to pick the perfect size for you and, of course, your family. And that leads us right into number 2. Do not overspend. As you see up on the screen, Z-Grills has the perfect pellet grill for you, from the basic all the way up to the top of the line with all those bells and whistles. That said, I am going to let you in on a little bit of a secret. That basic Z-Grills pellet grill is probably going to cook the same rack of ribs as that more expensive Z with all those bells and whistles. So while size definitely matters in this case, you want to pick out what you can afford, and be rest assured that Z-Grills is going to have your back. Which moves us right into number 3, and that is going to be that smoke flavor. One of the things you will quickly find out is that pellet grills are going to give you a cleaner smoke, and that is a much cleaner smoke than, say, an offset. But with the right pellet picked out to the protein that you are cooking, I can guarantee you once again that Z-Grills is going to have your back. I have tried all of Z-Grills pellets from apple to oak and everything in between, and the smoke flavor has been spot on every time. So what I want to talk about next is going to be ease of use. Whichever Z-Grills you pick, from the basic to the more ritzy model, I can guarantee you that Z-Grills is going to be easy for you guys to use, as you are just going to load up your pellets, set that temperature, and then walk away. That is really all there is to it. Guys, and one of the most questions that I get asked is, can Z-Grills grill? Whether from burgers, chicken, steaks, if you want to reverse the sear or just go to a high heat grill, Z-Grills is going to be the perfect grill to get it done. So pick your protein, set your temperature, and have some fun. So we are going to move right into buying the right size. Consider the size of your family. Do you guys like to have those weekend parties? You want to make sure you keep your expectations real on what you are purchasing. If you've got a family of 4 that loves some barbecue, you are going to maybe buy a bigger model than, say, a family or 2, or even a single family. Again, family of 6 is going to be bigger than a family of 2. So once you decide on your family's size, you can certainly pick out the right pellet grill for you. And let's talk about pellets. How do you match the perfect pellet up with the perfect piece of protein? I can tell you different wood flavors go better with certain proteins, and Z-Grills has your back there also. If you flip the bag around, you are going to see a chart that is going to match that piece of protein up with the certain pellets that Z-Grills sells. And keep in mind that these are 100% all natural food grade hardwood, made right here in the good old USA. So you are guaranteed to get that good, clean tasting wood flavor with every meal you make. And really the only thing you got to do is make sure the pellets remain dry. If you are not going to cook with your Z-Grills for, let's just say, a couple months or so, you may want to remove the pellets from the pellet grill. Other than that, just continue to smoke away. Another thing I get asked all the time is about Wi-Fi. Z-Grills is going to have you covered there. Once your pellet grill is hooked up to that Wi-Fi, you can control all your temperatures straight from your cell phone. So set it, forget it, has never been more simple. as you can continue walking around the property doing your chores and monitoring the cook step by step with that cell phone. I mean, it couldn't get much more easy than that, which moves us right into those long overnight cooks. One of the things of many that I love about Z-Grills is that set it and forget it. Are those briskets or pork that you can put on the pit, get a good night's sleep, knowing that Z-Grills is going to have your back, and in the AM you can continue on with your cook and be rest assured of some good barbecue for the night ahead and many nights forward. And one of the more important questions that I get asked is going to be on that maintenance. It couldn't get much more easier than this, as you are just going to vacuum out the ash, empty your grease, and clean those grates. Always remember that a couple minutes of proper maintenance is going to save you hours of frustration later. So to wrap up this fun little segment, at the end of the day, do not buy the grill with the most features. Buy the grill that matches the way you cook. That is one of the reasons why Z-Grills have become so popular. They focus on the features that matter most without making things overly complicated or overpriced. So in closing, please leave any questions you might have down in the description. I will certainly answer them. My name is Tommy with Z-Grills. I appreciate you watching, and until next time, we will see you soon.